Alarm goes off, hip hip hooray, the wait is over, today's the day. Round up equipment and the crew, there's construction work to do.
Are you as excited as I am about Frog Street's Splash Conference?
I hope you'll join me, Fanny, and Max in Grapevine, Texas on July 25th, 26th, and 27th for Splash 18.
Don't stop believing in children, families, and education is the theme of this year's Frog Street Splash Conference. This year, we have exciting speakers that will speak to you on a variety of topics.
I'll be speaking and presenting topics that you can easily put to use to help our youngest learners everywhere.
If you have never been to Splash before, it is the place to get tuned into all the cool curriculums that they have, all the way from birth to pre-K. Isn't that right, Fanny? We hope to see all of you there, so call today, email us today, make your reservations as soon as you can. See you soon.
It is outstanding. So pack your bags, get ready for July, get those wheels rolling if you're in driving distance, or if you're like me and you got to get on that big old plane, get ready for wheels up with a ticket in your pocket. Because I can tell you from past experience, and I've been around for 40 years, this is the best conference that's being offered.
I can't wait to personally meet you so we can experience this energizing educational event together.
I hope to see you there.
I'll be there. Watch for me. I always have my hat on.
And I hope you have a fantastic Frog Street Day.